What you need to say is every chocolate bar averages 100 grams. How could we check whether that claim is believable? That question is the core idea behind hypothesis testing. In statistics, a hypothesis is just a claim about a larger group. Here, the company claims the average chocolate bar weight is 100 grams. But we usually cannot weigh every bar the company makes, so instead, we collect a sample. A student buys 20 chocolate bars and weighs them. The sample average comes out to 80 grams. Now, beginners often think this immediately proves the company lied. But statistics is more careful than that. Even if the true average really were 100 grams, random samples would still vary a little. One sample might average 99 grams. Another might average 101 grams. Small differences happen naturally. So the real question is not, are the numbers exactly equal? The real question is the difference so large that it probably did not happen by chance? That is what hypothesis testing does. We temporarily assume the company's claim is true. This starting assumption is called the null hypothesis. In symbols, we write H0, mu equals 100. That simply means the true average weight is 100 grams. Then, we compare the sample result to that claim. The farther the sample average is from 100, the more suspicious the claim becomes. An 80 grams average is extremely far from 100. Statistical tests measure how unusual that result would be if the company were actually telling the truth. They often summarize this using something called a p-value, which measures how surprising the data is under the original claim. If the result is very unlikely, we reject the claim. In this case, the student has strong evidence that the company's average weight is probably less than 100 grams.